Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by confirming the correct oil grade from the owner manual because the engine needs the right viscosity. Once done, park on level ground and warm the engine 5 to 10 minutes to circulate oil, then shut off. Open the hood, secure the prop, and remove any engine cover that blocks the filler cap. Make sure you have a funnel, gloves, a clean rag, and the oil bottle ready. This gets you straight into the oil fill sequence without delay. With the funnel seated in the filler neck, pour in small amounts around 0.5 at a time because gradual fills prevent overfilling and foaming. After each pour, wait 30 to 60 seconds for oil to settle, then wipe and check the dipstick. Refer to the min/max marks. If level is below center, add another 0.5 and recheck. Make sure the engine remains off while measuring, and keep the car level so readings are accurate. This method controls the fill precisely. Once the dipstick shows the correct level, between the marks, tighten the oil cap and run the engine for 10 to 20 seconds so oil circulates. Then shut off, wait 1 minute, and recheck the dipstick to confirm level is stable. Inspect under the car for leaks and wipe any spills. Properly clean and store the funnel and dispose of empty bottles. If the level climbs unusually fast or you see oil in coolant, stop. Suspect a leak, wrong oil, or internal issue, and consult a mechanic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.